Morning from Blenheim Palace. This is for Salon Privé Supercars. So it's a 4 or 5 day event. This is the Saturday, so there's another day to go still. So I think tomorrow is the main day for the supercars, but I thought I'd just pop down today, see what's around. A few nice bits already. We've had a Di Tommaso Pantera, as you'll have seen from the introduction bit. And there's also a good amount of classics driving around as well, like this Morgan. Here's the first load of convoy of the day. Start off with the GT3. Aston Martin Vantage. V12 Vantage Roadster, that's pretty rare. And the 992. Very noisy M2. Lovely old V8 Vantage here. Pure muscle car there. Ooh, and an Aston Martin DB5. Mr. Bond has arrived. Next up, we've got the Aston Martin DBS Supercar 007, obviously. E46 M3. Looking good with the CSLs on it, and a Series 1 Elise. The original Aston Martin Vantage. Another Aston Martin, this time a Rapide S. Don't see many of these around. Here we go, look, GT2 RS in a lovely yellow. Brightening up the morning. Another Morgan. So we've got another V8 Vantage, a 355 in yellow. Look at that, beautiful. And is this a Singer? Couple more Aston Martins arriving, 2 DB11s, 1 Coupe, 1 Volante, a Boxster Spider. Next up we have the MC20. And I'm sure that this was absolutely lovely to drive down here with. Brand new Morgan three-wheeler. That looks like a Vantage V600. Very rare car. It's really weird looking up the road trying to work out what's coming, if it's good or whether it's a bit average. These two are quite good, I would say. Got the Di Tommaso Pantera. 570, we've got a GT3 RS. Classic Lancia and a 964. I like that a lot, turbo. 993 Carrera S. I think it's the first Ferrari 360 of the day. Tour de France blue, one of the best colours for it. Thankfully it's not stock either, so it actually makes a noise. So we've got an SLS, 911 Turbo, 911 GT3, but all attention are on these two. LP640 and a Mercy SV. Beautiful number plate, I agree. Oh, it's not an SV, it's a 640. McLaren 720S and an old 930, I believe. The new Vantage. I do like the colour on that. 458. Well, it looks like people have started to wake up now. That looks like a GT4. N24. Proper race car, that. GT4. Oh, hello. One of my favourites. Series 1 Exige. The new Revuelto in a very, very green colour. Shining in the sun. It's a shame about the pole across the road. We've got some more cars joining from the right. Morgan, AMG GTR, another GT11, and the first R35 of the day, I think. Is that a 177? Oh, hell yeah. No mistaking that massive gob. Very, very cool to see on the road. It's one of the most driven ones in the UK, that car. Ferrari Pista and an 812 in the distance there. Very nice. And an Integrale as well joining. Wow, what do you think of this two-tone Bentley? Really nice blue colour with the contrast roof, the V12 Vantage, and an Alpha 4C. That's cheating. You haven't driven here with the roof off. First E-Type of the day, and a 911 Turbo in a very, very nice yellow. That is a anniversary car. Dyslexic number plate. 996 Turbo, big fan of these. That green interior. DBS Supercar, very, very nice. We've got the Ferrari and the Maserati Stradale. AMG GTC. We've got the V8 Vantage, and they're still trying to put the roof down. Thank God electricity was invented, eh? R36 Passat, now not a supercar, but they are very rare in the UK. GTC Forlusso, very noisy 430 behind it. Much prefer the older Ferraris to the new ones, just because they don't sound like this anymore. Got the Aston Martin DBS, first of the day. Aged so well, that car. Lamborghini Countach hiding behind the Audi here. Very nice. By Jove, I think they've done it. No joke, it's about 10 minutes to put the roof down on whatever that is. 812 GTS. Lamborghini Huracan, you don't see many of these around the UK. Aston Martin Vanquish. This is a flip colour Artura. very expensive paint on that car. I did actually see that on my way to work during the week. So glad to have seen it again. The old Lancia rally car. Jag. And an Aston. That was a Lister SVR or whatever they're called. Might be a V8, I don't know. It's one of them. Finally. Is your hat going to blow off now though? No, but his wig might. So the difficulty with standing here is that you really do have to keep your eyes peeled on every direction. Old Escort, love it. .650S. Gonna do V6 this time. Another one who's just put his roof down in the lay-by to make it look like he's driven all the way here with it down, but actually hasn't. The TV12, but just couldn't be bothered to. Can safely say there's a lot of Astons here. There's GT3 Touring. Another Aston. Let's play a game of Spot the Lamborghini. Another Lamborghini, this time in a bit more of a subtle colour. Again, I much prefer the Gallardo to the Hurricanes and later cars. Nice SF90 Spider there. Nice old Lotus Esprit, followed by a V12 Vantage S. I think this is the first TVR of the day, in the form of a Griffith. It's got Tomora wheels on it. There's some rear lights that I've never seen before. I'm approaching. Aston Martin Convoy, GT8 trying to look like GT12, brand new Vanquish, another very subtle Lamborghini. More Aston Martins, more of them. At least that was one nice one. Here we go, 355. garage. You almost forget that they were made. And that is the first 296 of the day. Thought there'd have been a lot more of them. Oh, this is the RML Group GT1 inspired kit. Proper car now, Evo. And the upload. That sounds really good. Damn it. MSOLT and I missed it. Is that a hybrid? What the? How have you passed your test? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going? This one. This one. Fucking hell. You've just passed your test, have you? I don't think so, mate. How bad could that have gone, look? All of these and yeah, well done. Let me just go and help her out a second. I'll go and help her out. I'll go and stand in the roundabout so that people can not hit her. How the hell has she done that? Pass test, yeah. Nice little Lotus convoy. Obviously my favourite. Nice yellow 348 there. Really nice Vanquish S here. Smoking, ugh. Cigar though, obviously. Jesus, it stinks. See, annoyingly, we're starting to get the build-up of traffic going in now. It's good traffic, can't complain.